Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mrs. Smith here checking in with our Google and practicing our Poetry Month assignment. So at the top, what I have done is I just made a copy like this, make a copy and then entire presentation, and then I renamed it for Caden because he and I were working together on this. So today is Wednesday, so on Monday you should have done a Sequoian poem, Tuesday is a Dynamante poem, and today is a haiku. So you and I are going to go through this together and practice if you need help. Okay, so it's showing us a haiku here. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. It says haiku is a form of Japanese poetry. Haiku are three-lined poems that follow a 5-7-5 syllable pattern. Haikus are often about nature. Haikus do not rhyme. Okay, as you probably realized with the first two poems, those didn't have to rhyme either. So here we go. Line 1 needs to be 5 syllables. So let's say you think of words that have 5 syllables. Let's count. Look at you, small snail. Look at you, small snail. Okay, so each of those words were 1 syllable each. But if you wanted to choose a different one, like a different word that has multiple syllables, that's fine. That whole line can only be 5 syllables. So if you said basketball, basketball, that's 3 syllables. So you have 2 left. Is fun. That could work as my first line for my haiku. Okay, so then the next line has to be 7 syllables. So their example is there with your house on your back. Okay, so they were thinking it still has to do with the top line topic, which is our snail. Snails have their homes or their shells on their back, so that's how they got their 7 syllables. Okay, so your line 2 needs to be 7 syllables long. So you could say dribble down the court real fast. I'm going to count that again. Dribble down the court real fast. That works. Okay. And now the last line needs to be 5 syllables again. So it says forever alone. So forever is 3 syllables and alone is 2. Alone. Okay, so now I'm going to think about something with basketball again. Maybe I like to play with my friends. Nope, that's 7. So that's too much. Play all day with friends. That could work. Play all day with friends. I'm just writing this down. Play all day with friends. Yeah. Those are all 1 syllable, so that works. So now it says below, write a nature haiku. Do this activity outside if you can. If you cannot go outside, look out the window or imagine a place in nature. Before you write a haiku, make a list of things that you see, hear in nature. So here's your list of things that you might see. So I see trees, they already gave us that. I might see, I've noticed that our tulips have started to peek out. Right now the grass is brown and green. Okay, I might hear birds sing. The sun might be shining. Okay, so these are all things to kind of help inspire you. So for example, I'm going to go back to my basketball one. So I said it was fun. It's a fast sport. So these are all things that are kind of going on in my mind. I play with others. Okay, so now choose some things from your list to write about. Write 2 different haikus. So one box is for one thing, another box is for another thing. Okay. If your haikus are too long, try getting rid of words like a, and the. So for example, play all day with my friends. If I try to do that, play all day with my friends, that would have been 6 words. But so I just took out the word my friends. So play all day with friends. That works then. And so you're supposed to write 2 poems. So here's my first one. And remember, yours are about nature, not about basketball. I'm just using basketball so I don't give too many things away. So basketball is fun. Basketball is fun. 7 syllables. Dribble down the court real fast. Why I didn't choose really? Because really is 2 syllables and real is 1. So that way that means that's 7 syllables. Okay, 5, play all day with friends. Okay, so that's how you do a haiku. But like I said, I did not keep it for you. I chose something way outside of the box that's not to do with nature right now, just so you can come up with your 2 haikus on your own and have your own unique thoughts. So I hope this helps out. So this is Wednesday. And that's just how you do. So you type in anywhere where you see a blue box on our assignments. The next one will be a bio poem or about a person. So read through that and then you can type in anywhere where there's these blue boxes. So yeah, I hope you're having fun with these poetry writings and we'll talk to you later. Bye.